Hi, welcome back to the channel. We have this question on probability. It will help us understand how to work with probability. I'll be glad you pause the video, take a look at the question before coming to see my solution. Now, our question says the pie chart below shows the distribution of 4,320 students who graduated from 4 departments. We have each department: arts, medicine, education, and science. Now, the question wants us to find if a student is picked at random from the 4 departments, what is the probability that he is not from education? Now, I want you to note this phrase: the probability that he is not from education. Note the phrase "not from." Not from. Now, we're going to pick education. Education has 108 degrees. Now, for him not to be not from education, that means it's going to come from any of these other departments. There are one of two ways you can go about it. The first method I want us to use is to subtract 360, which is the total angle, minus 108 degrees. 360 minus 108 will result in 252 degrees. Now, so that 252 degrees, which is the probability of it not coming from education, over 360. That will be the probability of not coming from education. Now, that means 2 here will be 1, 2 in 5, that's 2, 2 in 12, that's 6, 2 in 360, that's 180. I'm beginning to see 3. 3 in 12, that's 4, 3 in 6, that's 2, 3 in 18, that's 60. Then I'm beginning to see 6 again. 6 here is 7, and 6 here is 10. That's equals to 7 over 10. This is the easiest way to go about it. But there's a second alternative. Let's look at it. Now, we're looking for the probability of not being in education. That is going to be one of medicine. Either the student is in medicine. Medicine is 80 over 360. Or the student is coming from art. Art will be 100 over 360. Or the student is coming from science. Science, then we have to look for the percentage for science. The percentage for science is actually 72%. That's 72 over 360. Now, so that will be 80 over 360 plus 100 over 360 plus 72 over 360. When we are treating all in probability, we use addition. That's just what I wanted to point out. Now put this with 360. Here I'll have 80 plus 100 plus 72. Now if you sum this up together, you still come back to our 252 over 360, which will also be equals to 7 over 10, like we got previously. With this, I hope you understand how I found the probability. Thank you for staying with us, and see you in our next class.